Every phone system can route a call. The real difference shows up at 6:01 when the day is over and someone is still calling. So let me show you how to set your hours, choose who rings and in what order, and decide exactly what callers hear when you're closed. It all lives in your numbers settings. Business hours first, you pick a preset, weekdays for example, and you set when your day starts and ends. And if your Saturday doesn't look like your Tuesday, the custom mode lets you shape every single day the way you actually work. Then, who rings? Two philosophies here. Simultaneous rings the whole team at once, and the first one to pick up takes the call. Cascade rings your people one by one in the order you set, with a delay you control between each, and you choose exactly who is in that rotation. When nobody picks up at all, you also decide the fallback, voicemail, the AI receptionist, or a straight transfer to any outside number, your cell phone for example. And now the part your callers actually notice, what happens after hours. You can treat those calls like any missed call, forward them to another phone, or set up a dedicated closed hours voicemail. You type what you want callers to hear, and Allo turns it into a proper spoken greeting for you. So that's the whole idea. Your line follows your real schedule, your team rings the way you set it, and after hours, nobody just hits a dead end. And that's it. Now you know how to set up business hours and call routing with Allo.